Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back here to the channel. So the title of the video, Shiba Inu coin is severely undervalued. We're also going to go through some other altcoins, talk about where I think the biggest opportunities are right now, right? So we always talk about buying at the right time. It's kind of like that reverse psychology. A lot of people like to buy when things are green, when people are talking about it, but it's actually the opposite. If you want to make money in crypto, you want to make money in stocks, you actually should be buying things that are undervalued, things that are significantly depressed in price where people aren't talking about them at all. So you want to find value there. And SHIB is kind of at that level right now. Not a lot of people talking about it. There's a lot of other things going on, right? Other tokens kind of stealing the thunder, stealing the shine a little bit. And this is a good time to kind of dive in and take a look at where SHIB is and kind of compare it. So I'm going to give you guys probably 7 to 10 different altcoins in the top 100. And we'll get into SHIB and why I really like it in this video. So I think you're really going to enjoy it. You should see some great value. So make sure you stick around until the end. Go ahead and hit the like button for us right now out of the gate. Subscribe down below. It's much appreciated, guys. And hopefully you guys are off to, I guess not off to. Hopefully you're having a great weekend. I know it's Sunday, so a lot of you guys probably at home with family, friends. Hopefully you guys are enjoying that. So let's dive in and talk a little bit about where we are, because we're getting a little bit of a pullback in the markets. And we'll start here with the SHIB chart. Now, what I like about this is we're still on a nice little uptrend when you zoom out here, right? If you zoom out and go back into mid-September, which we're about like a month removed from that, and we could just draw the line because, you know, everybody likes fancy lines, right? Still on a nice little uptrend. We had that big pop in the price up to the twos. It came back down when the whole thing happened with Iran, right? The markets didn't like that, obviously. Markets do not like war. There was some fear there. People got scared. They sell off. But look, if you're smart, you're buying here, right? You're buying back on this green candle right here, this reversal pattern where we came back down to like 16 and popped all the way back up to 18. Again, buying fear is how you make money in crypto. You have to buy the fear. And a lot of people don't realize this. A lot of people just, you know, sell when people are selling, buy when people are buying. It's the opposite. It's the opposite. When people get fearful, we need to get greedy. Okay. That is how you make money in crypto. That is how you make money in stocks. It's really how you make money in business too. You know, some of the best companies in the world were built out of fear. Airbnb is a great example. You know, that was built out of the 2008 collapse, right? Everybody's freaking out, but these people had a great idea, right? Hospitality is upended. Nobody can stay at hotels anymore. Oh my gosh, boom, idea, right? Somebody saw a great idea, came out with Airbnb. Same thing happens in the markets. Now, if you take a look at where we are, SHIB right here in the top 15, we're down about 3.5% today, down about 5.5% in the week. And as I'm sifting through here, one of the things I like to do on CoinMarketCap is sort not by the top gainers, but by the top losers. So look at Caspa here. Now, Caspa is a top 5 holding of mine. You guys know, if you've been listening to my channel for a long time, we've been accumulating CAS for a while. When it was down there at 4 cents, we were buying heavily. We're still at 13 cents, but we did pop up, I think, to like 21, 22 was our all-time high. But here you go. It's down 11+% in the last week. Nobody's talking about it right now. It's very quiet. CAS is like SHIB right now. These, to me, not financial advice, are good buying opportunities. Again, when people are fearful, we need to be greedy. If we keep going down here, here's another one I really like. Stacks. Now, why do I like Stacks? It's the biggest market cap in a very interesting sector. This is all about DeFi on Bitcoin, right? Smart contracts, decentralized applications being built on Bitcoin. Stacks is, to me, the biggest player. They're the 800-pound gorilla in the room when it comes to this sector. I don't like to overthink this too much, right? A lot of people will try to go hunt for, you know, these gems or whatever that are, you know, a few $1 million market cap. Listen, I do that too. I'm a full degenerate when it comes to that. But when I'm buying in heavily, when I'm really building out big positions in my portfolio, I just like to not overthink it. Go to the big players, right? There's an old saying, like, where the money's flowing, that's where I'm going, right? Like, that's kind of the approach I like to take here with the large caps. Same thing with HBAR. All right, Hedera, is down here at 5 cents. I think this is an absolute steal. I recently just put a video out on this. Do I think H bar is going to be the fastest mover in this cycle? Do I think it's the greatest or whatever? I mean, not really, but it's not going away. And the price has been depressed so much that there's value here. People are fearful. Again, on Hedera, I want to be greedy. This thing's down here where it was literally back in October of 2023. You're getting this at a premium discount, in my opinion. All right. Not financial advice. And guess what? I could be wrong. We're all speculating. I'm just a dude on the internet. So don't take my words here as like, Bible or whatever. Just do your own research, do your own homework. Now, I'm going to give you guys a couple others that I really like, okay, as we close out the video. But before we do, real quick word from our sponsor today, Infinaeon blockchain. So these guys are building a very, very interesting new blockchain. The new iteration of DeFi is here, changing the way we view blockchains forever. And we'll be talking about this company for a little while here over the next several weeks. So be on the lookout. We're going to have a long form video about these guys, as well as maybe even bring them on the Crypto Breakfast Club. And we'll be talking a little bit more about them over the next several weeks. So I'll leave a link to their X page down below. And if this logo looks familiar, remember Operation Phoenix? This is the same group. They're building something very, very unique here. I would highly encourage you guys to hop in the Telegram, right? Get in there, see how the community's, growing over there, ask questions, and see if this is a potential good opportunity for you guys as well. So shout out to them, our sponsor today. Let's get back to the video and talk about two more that I really like here before we close it out, okay? So I gave you SHIB, obviously. I gave you Caspa. I gave you Hedera, H-bar. And did I give you another one already? I gave you Stacks. That's 4. I'm going to give you 2 more. All right, I'm going to give you 2 more here. And they're still in the top 100. Ondo Finance right here, sitting at number 71. It's just under 70 cents, down 6.5% in the week. Again, one of the biggest players in a hot space, right? That is RWA, the tokenization of real world assets. Guys, don't overthink it. They're partnered with BlackRock. BlackRock is essentially another branch of the US government. They are so powerful. They're the biggest asset manager in the world. Okay. Oftentimes, behind closed doors, BlackRock is making the decisions. You might not see them, you might not hear from them, but those are the most powerful people. Okay. And this is, again, a partner of theirs, a partner of JP Morgan Chase, the biggest bank in the United States, one of the biggest in the world. Don't overthink it. That's my take on Ondo. And last but not least is Jasmy. We know that Jasmy's huge in Japan. We know that there's a huge opportunity here in this area, the Internet of Things that Jasmy's building in. They should have a lot coming in early 2025 based on their roadmap. And I think, getting Jasmy under 2 cents right now, again, people are fearful, get greedy. This is the time to find diamonds in the rough. This is the time to find the undervalued crypto. So I gave you guys a lot to chew on. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comment section. Again, shout out to our sponsor, Infinaeon blockchain. We'll be talking a lot more about them in the coming days and weeks. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.